In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then, if you never used this app before, click on Continue. Now select Allow. And finally, click on Browse category on the left in the middle. Lastly, select Downloads. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!